Andersen has been building great products for over 100 years. One example is our Narroline window. Homeowners across America have bought and installed more than 60 million of these over the years. Countless Narroline windows are still in use today, thanks to their durability. And yet, technology has improved to the extent that today's windows are more energy efficient than ever. If you own Narroline windows, you'll be glad to know Andersen makes a window conversion kit that can quickly upgrade your older Narroline windows into far more energy efficient models. It costs less and is far easier and less disruptive than other window replacement options. It also makes your windows far easier to clean with the convenience of a tilting sash for quick cleaning from inside your home. And you'll enjoy a brand new limited warranty on the installed items. 20 years on the glass and 10 years on other parts. To find out if you have Narroline windows and how to install the conversion kit, go to andersenwindows.com/Narroline to watch these short videos. Andersen, window replacement